be great for you to also share the background why we want to do that, so that it will be more give people more context on that. Cool. Given that, Taha, feel free to take it from here.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, excited to share that our routing is different as I like to do it. Usually I'll dive into some code, how we've done it. And yeah, basically dashboard doesn't exist anymore. So just to make it shareable, we've kind of gone with the approach where now URLs will have a path that looks a bit like this. All of this is programmable. We are thinking of changing this to usernames. There were some endpoints that require user ID, so we kept that. But this would look like this, but this shouldn't be problematic because this is all coded in. And also added a link for my chat, so you can access this. It's public and chat with me as a tag. And the first one will be organization. So this could be Adobe, this could be Cribble, anything. But currently it's org because we're not doing organization level stuff. But when that does happen, we will have the basis for it. And I'll show you in code how we've made that happen. So going here, basically these are our main paths here. So basically what's happening here is, so it's sort of gotten rid of dashboard here. It's not a protected route anymore because as Ryan just showed you, you can, or you should be able to access this one, even if you're not logged in or if you don't have a user. So if I click this here, I can access this. And then since I'm not logged in, I'm prompted to create my own user chat. And this is where the onboarding flow comes in. So essentially you'd be able to create your smart chat on the fly and then create your account after that. But if you are logged in, then this would take you to your dashboard. Let's say I do try to log in here, sign in with some random account like this. Let's see. Yeah, so that worked. And then if I go back here and try this, so basically I can chat with myself, or if I do go to your smart chat, I can just see the ones that I created right here. So yeah, so that's how that one looks like. And yeah, so we basically will have this as an accessible part, and this part is your user ID. So if I were to, let's say, just add this one, I should be able to see my user page as well. So yeah, and then all the tags. So if I were to share this and it's public, then also depending on org level access, which Ryan showed earlier, this should be good. So yeah, happy to have made this change happen. I know it was important for us to have a URL built a certain way, and I'm glad that we were mostly able to get there. Just the main change here would be the user ID, which we would change with a username, I'm thinking. And then we have org, which could be anything by default. As Erica suggested, we'll use org, but this can also be changed. So yeah, that's the main change here. And yeah, I'm glad it's out on staging already, and we are hoping to get it out onto production. So